Hello everyone, my name is Henry. I am the lead designer on Team 4512 Otter Chaos, and I'm coming to you today with a small video on GrabCAD. Now, GrabCAD is what we use to transfer our files now. Previously we were using Fusion 360, which was really nice because all the files were in one place and the project basis was all in there. But we're switching to SOLIDWORKS, which is by far superior as a CAD program, so we wanted to make sure that we still had the file shareability rather than having to have like a server, blah blah blah, tons of random stuff. So we're using GrabCAD Workbench, which sets up projects. Now these projects are inside the workbench table, I guess you could say, and you can actually share it with users very easily with emails and stuff. And so you can set up your COTS parts, whatever, what have you. And yeah, when you do set it up or you're added to it via your team or you're setting it up for your team, you're going to want to download it to your desktop. It'll prompt you to do that somewhere along the lines. I don't know exactly where, but basically this is what it looks like. You have the actual workbench, and then you have the little project folders inside of that. Now, GrabCAD folder, which should be in your local disk or in documents, you can see all of that. So that's where all of your CAD files will sit if you want to share them. If not, I guess you can save them anywhere. But for us, we have our COTS parts. Sorry, that's the image. Don't bother with the name. So we have like McMaster car parts, or we have probably our biggest library would be our VexCAD library. So just gears, you know? So that's just general basis how to use it. Again, you can just add people, super easy, add users. It's what we use to communicate and send parts and all of that, so that you have one functioning robot while multiple people can work on it. It's quite useful and pretty easy. I like it a lot. I think you will too if you end up using it. And obviously there's an online version, and yeah. So that's it for me. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you dislike the video, please leave a dislike. All that fun stuff. Thank you to our sponsors. I think we can have like them flash on screen. That can make this education possible. And yeah, if you find another way to do something similar to this, please let me know in the comments. I like to learn new things about file sharing and CAD in general, so if you thought I said something wrong, please leave that too. I like to make sure that all my stuff is factual. Moses, you might want to cut that out. Overall, thank you and have a great day.